Okay, guys, this video is a part of supernumerary and SLF discussion series. In this video, I'll be covering one of the many important topics, that is how to perform 180-degree turn on the runway. I'll walk you through the procedure, key points to keep in mind, and the kind of cross questions your captain might ask you on this topic. So stay tuned, I'll be right back to guide you through it. Hello everyone, Namaskar. Let's start today's topic. Okay, to understand the procedure and gather the necessary information, I refer to the FCOM. I navigated to aircraft systems. There I found aircraft general and then ground handling. So in the ground handling you will find 180-degree turn on the runway. Okay. This is the only reference you will find in the FCOM regarding this maneuver. It mentions that according to the recommended turn technique, the turn width required is 24 meters. Now here is the question your captain might ask, that do you know the minimum runway width required to operate Airbus A320? And if you check under the limitation section, you will find nominal runway width is 45 meters and minimum runway width is 30 meters. Okay. Alright, back to the main topic. FCOM then directs you to consult with FCTM for more details, and then I opened FCTM, procedures, normal procedure, standard operating procedure, and taxi. This section provides better clarity and more comprehensive information than the FCOM. Now let's go over what it says in the FCTM. It says maintain a safe speed, taxi at 5 to 8 knots during the entire maneuver. Okay. If the runway is wet or contaminated, it is best to stay at 5 knots for better control. Then positioning for the turn. I'll take an example of CM2 who is pilot flying. So let's say you are newly joined and sitting on the CM2 seat and doing this pilot flying sector. So pilot flying is sitting on the right seat, CM2. Taxi on the left hand side of the runway. Remember this, taxi on the left hand side of the runway. Then initiate a turn. Start turning right at an angle of 25 degree from the runway center line. Okay. Now keep your eyes on the runway edge as you approach it. Once you are over the runway edge, turn full left, tiller with the full left deflection. You can use asymmetric thrust, idle engine number 1 if needed, and apply differential braking, more pressure on the left side to maintain the speed. Completing the turn, when the aircraft is aligned with the runway center line, release the tiller to neutral. Stop if necessary before proceeding, and do not release tiller to neutral when aircraft is stationary. Okay, release the tiller when the aircraft is moving. Now final tips, always monitor speed to avoid skidding and keep movements smooth and controlled. If conditions are too slippery, consider delaying the turn for safety. Okay, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments. I'm not an instructor or a very senior pilot, just a first officer who recently started flying A320s. I hope you learned something new in this video. मेरा नाम है अभिषेक शर्मा, चैनल का नाम है फ्लाइंग और पीस, और मैं ऐसी वीडियोस बनाता रहता हूँ. You can go through the playlist section of my channel where you will find curated and organized collection of videos for different stages of training. Thank you for your time and energy. Jai Hind.